Hey, good evening, everybody. It's Russ Nestovich at Nestovich Law. Hopefully, you are watching the football playoff game. The New Orleans Saints are currently playing against the Tampa Bay Buccaneers, and I took a quick break to go live and record this quick video because the New Orleans Saints, every time I watch them, it reminds me about something about estate planning, and specifically the state of Louisiana. So the law in the state of Louisiana is based on a dramatically more diverse set of sources than the laws in the other 49 states. If you look at the laws of the other 49 states in the United States, you will find a great many similarities. If you look at Louisiana, Louisiana is a completely different animal, completely different laws based on a mix of French and Spanish codes and ultimately Roman law and just all sorts of weird stuff going on in Louisiana. In the other 49 states, for example, we have counties. In Louisiana, we have parishes. That is just the tip of the iceberg. The fact that we call counties in 49 states and we call them parishes in the state of Louisiana. So Louisiana just has a very different and I don't want to say more complex, but just unique system of laws than the other 49 states. So why does that matter? Why do I always think of that when it comes to estate planning? Because one of the questions that we are often asked is, well, if I do my estate planning with you here in New Jersey and I move to another state, what does that mean? Do I have to completely scrap my plan? Do I have to start over from scratch? Do I have to see another attorney? Or for that matter, if we're talking to somebody who is considering moving into New Jersey, they may ask us, or if they have moved to New Jersey, to review their existing plan. So my comment is always, you should always look to review your plan with an attorney in the state in which you go to. So if we've created a plan for you in New Jersey, but because there's no New Jersey estate tax, we may not have taken New Jersey estate tax considerations into account. If you move to New York State has a very punitive state estate tax for people with more than $5 million in assets. So if you move across the border, you absolutely want to consider consulting with an attorney who is licensed in New York, or if you move into Pennsylvania with an attorney who's licensed in Pennsylvania, to review your plan. So that I always think of the state of Louisiana as being this ridiculous animal when it comes to the law when people ask me that question. Because in most states, you might review your plan a little bit and you might make some tweaks. If you're going to Louisiana, you're going to want to potentially make some very drastic changes. So I leave you with that. I hope you've had a great weekend. I hope you enjoy watching the games, and we look forward to chatting with you soon. Take care.